West Bengal state is an open state for PG medical admission private management quota seats for private colleges. The students who are belonging to different states of India, they all are eligible to participate in West Bengal. Today, West Bengal state round 1 allotment list has been published. You must be knowing in West Bengal there are 6 private colleges are there which is having clinical branch. In this video, I'll give you the complete information regarding the private management quota cutoff of round 1 allotment in these 6 private colleges. Student, in West Bengal, fees are 40 lakhs per annum almost for all the 5 private colleges. Only KPC Kolkata, this private college fees is low. And this is indeed a standard college. KPC is definitely a standard college. Now, in West Bengal, you must be knowing there are some clause. Clause in the sense there is a terms and condition in the time of admissions regarding the bank guarantee. The student who are not willing to give the bank guarantee, they can speak with the college regarding the other adjustment process. Maybe the college will suggest you, if you are not able to give the bank guarantee, what is the alternative process for that. So go through the entire cutoff of round 1. I also want to tell you the student whose rank is above 1 lakh, they also should register in West Bengal because they will also be having possibility to get clinical branch in further round of counseling. So let's start with the most reputed private college in West Bengal, that is KPC Medical College, Kolkata. KPC radiology cutoff 7,335, dermatology cutoff 28,852, general medicine cutoff 28,193, OBG seat is not available for private management quota, ortho 34,069, pediatrics and respiratory medicine seat is not available in management quota, general surgery 49,906 and ENT 66,465. This is the KPC cutoff. What is the cutoff in Jagannath Gupta? Jagannath Gupta radio and derma private management quota seat is not available. General medicine cutoff 37,185. OBG cutoff 46,647. Ortho 48,576. Pediatrics 66,829. Respiratory medicine 51,595. General surgery 80,601. Or ophthalmic seat is not available. ENT 90,544 is the ENT cutoff. This is the cutoff for Jagannath Gupta. IQ City 39,499 is the cutoff for radiology. Dermatology 36,680. General medicine 41,447. OBG 50,708. Orthopedics 58,581. Pediatrics 66,413. Respiratory medicine 46,113, general surgery 92,057, ophthalmology 90,051, ENT 90,377. Student, if you are not getting seat in KPC, but if you are getting the seat in IQ City, then also you can consider for admissions. IQ City is also a standard college, standard private college in West Bengal after KPC. ICARE Medical College, 38,276 is the MD dermatology cutoff. Radiology management quota seat is not there. General medicine and OBG management quota seat is not there. Orthopedics 95,914. Pediatrics 77,571. Respiratory medicine 81,106. General surgery 1,02,020. 484 is the cutoff. Ophthalmology 1,05,024 is the cutoff, and ENT cutoff is 1,10,045. This is the cutoff of ENT. Few of the colleges in West Bengal also you have to be very careful in the time of admissions regarding the different reasons. Gouri Devi radiology seat is not there. 57,615 is the dermatology cutoff. Medicine seat is not there. 61,830 is the OBG cutoff. 83,902 is the orthopedic cutoff. 74,677 is the pediatrics cutoff. 68,803 Is the respiratory medicine cutoff 91,707, is the surgery cutoff 1,03,791, ophthalmology cutoff and ENT cutoff in Gouri Devi 1,04,095. That is the ENT cutoff. Last is RamKrishna Shanaka Medical College, which is in Durgapur. Radio and Dharma private management quota seat is not there. They have seat in medicine 46,881, OBG 59,685, ortho 89,151. Next is pediatrics 78,301. Respiratory medicine seat is not there. Next is general surgery 87,967. Ophthalmology and ENT seat is not there. Student, this is the cutoff of different private colleges in West Bengal for private management quota. I mean, why the fee is high. All over India students are eligible for this. The student who has not got seat in this round, you can participate in further round. You may get the seat. I feel that the cutoff will be going positive. Okay, for example, I'll tell you, maybe here you can see there is 90,000 is the off the cutoff. It can go more than 90,000 in further rounds. Same for general surgery also. Here also you can consider. In ICARE also you can consider that. Even Gouri Devi RamKrishna also you can consider that. If you get a seat in KPC and if you don't have the alternate good option, you should certainly consider KPC for your PG. Same for IQ City also. If you feel the fees are okay and if you don't have the good alternative considering the IQ City, you can consider IQ City also. It is also a standard college. Student, if you have any query, you can give you a query in the comment sections of the video. We are keep updating you all the informations regarding the PG allotment, and we'll sharing with you all the cutoff of different colleges and different states. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, you will subscribe this channel to get all relevant and important update, and you click on the bell icon. So whenever we will be giving the video, immediately you will be getting the notification. If you are looking for counseling services, we provide the end-to-end counseling services based on the student's rank, budget, required specializations. If you are looking for that services, you can definitely contact me in the number given. Thank you so much.